this is our new TV, LG Nano82 65-inch. We have bought this primarily for watching movies, and we have 3 YouTube channels and we make all HDR content. So we really wanted to see how the HDR content looks like on a big TV. So without further ado, let's unbox this beast. So let's go ahead and cut this on. Power cord, stand, and the back stand. So what we have got here is the remote, the battery, I don't know what panel this is, cable management, screws, energy label, the instruction manuals and safety guide. So let's go ahead and assemble it now. So all instructions are as pictures. As per instructions, we have to grab it from this back side, and yeah, for this kind of a TV at least 2 people should be needed. So we have placed it safely with the screen side below on a sturdy bed. So this is all metal black with brushed metal finish. It is always nice to fasten these screws alternatively. So at any point, if any of the screws seems very tight, just go back few steps and again go forward. And this way, if you do alternatively and this forward and backward way, it will make sure that you have all the screws fastened properly, like we have here. So now we have to align these 3 grooves to these 3 places, and we should be seeing places for mounting the screws. So we have to match these screws with what is mentioned on the manual. If we see this kind of a star, so we have to match where do we see the star on the manual. So that is how we can make sure we don't put the wrong screw at the Same as earlier, we have to screw these screws alternatively so that one place just does not get too tight or too loose. Now we need to place the TV on a table with the back facing out. Now with the cable management stuff, now on this side. Now this part should go in here. And we can use this thing to lock. Now this power cable, we can put it here and just lock it this way. Should make 2 clicks. So let's see the options for the connectivity now. Here first we can see one USB, then there is a common interface, then there are 2 HDMI. The one is the normal one, then other one is the e-arc one, and another 2 HDMI inputs on the side panel. Then on the bottom we have another USB. This is the second one, followed by antenna, then satellite, LAN, and the optical digital audio output. And this is the back panel. So let's plug in the USB cable, and this is just for example. Now we can put this back panel in. It will conceal all the wires, and if there are more cables here, we can use this tie and use it like this to tie the wires. So it is the same magic remote that we get in all major LG TVs, and the batteries. So that's it for the unboxing, and if you want to watch the full video, please do consider subscribing. I will put a link in the description as well as in the cards here to the full review of this TV. So see you in the next.